Welcome to this audiobook, a book that is not meant to be merely heard, but to awaken your thoughts, deepen your perspective, and perhaps even slightly change the direction of your thinking. In a world where speed has replaced depth and sounds surround us from every direction, mindful listening is a choice to pause, to reflect, and to build a better version of ourselves. This audiobook is the result of ideas, experiences, and lessons that can inspire not to tell you what to do, but to help you see more clearly and make better decisions for yourself. We recommend listening to this audiobook with an open mind and without haste. Sometimes a single sentence, when heard at the right moment, can change years of our lives. Thank you for dedicating your valuable time to this work. We hope this voice becomes a good companion on your journey of intellectual and personal growth. Absolutely, here's a much deeper dive into Atomic Habits by James Clear, with extra explanations, examples, and actionable ideas you can use in daily life. Fuller. Summary: what the book is trying to do. The book isn't just about motivation, it's about behavior design. How to structure your life so good habits are easy and bad ones are hard. James Clear shows how habits are the building blocks of identity and success. The big message: small daily improvements, even if tiny, compound into remarkable results over time. Chapter by chapter. Core ideas. Here's a more detailed overview of the main concepts throughout the book. Introduction. The surprising power of atomic habits. Your outcomes are the compound result of hundreds of small habits. People overestimate what they can do in a day and underestimate what they can do in a year. The goal isn't just motivation, it's creating a system that makes good habits automatic. Example: if you read 10 pages daily, that's approximately 3,650 pages a year, about 12 books. 1. The fundamentals. Why habits matter. Habits compound. Like compound interest in money, habits compound performance. Focus on systems, not goals. Goals are results you want to achieve. Systems are the processes that get you there. Example: goal, get fit. System, work out Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays. Clear says, you do not rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your systems. 2. Identity. The deepest reason habits matter. This is one of the most powerful sections. Instead of, I want to write a book, think, I am a writer. Every action becomes a vote for your identity. How to apply. First, decide who you want to become. Then prove it with small wins. Example: if you want to become healthy, start with, I drink water when I wake up. Over time, I'm the type of person who drinks water first thing. Identity habits results. The habit loop. Explained. Every habit works in a loop of cue, craving, response, reward. Cue, a trigger that tells your brain to start a habit. Craving, the motivation to act. Response, the actual habit behavior. Reward, the benefit your brain gets. To make habits work, change the loop using the 4 laws. The 4 laws of behavior change, detailed, to 1. Make it obvious. Clarity helps action. Tips. Put your cues in clear view. Use visual reminders. Example: to read more, place your book on your pillow every morning. 2. Make it attractive. If a habit feels appealing, you'll want to do it. Trick. Bundle a habit you want with one you enjoy. This is called temptation bundling. I only listen to my favorite podcasts when I go for a walk. 3. Make it easy. Minimize friction. Reduce steps. Rule. The 2-minute rule to start any habit. Make it take 2 minutes or less. Instead of, meditate daily, say, open my meditation app for 2 minutes. Small behavior, build momentum, bigger habit. Or 4. Make it satisfying. Habits stick when they are immediately rewarding. Human brains work on instant feedback, not long-term. Example: track progress with marks on a calendar. The visual streak feels good. How to break a bad habit. Do the opposite of the laws above. Make it invisible, remove cues. Example: put your phone in another room. Make it unattractive. Highlight downsides. Example, put a note on your sweets with your goals. Make it difficult. Add extra steps. Example, uninstall apps to stop usage. There are 3 layers of behavior change: a change in your outcomes, a change in your processes, or a change in your identity. The first layer is changing your outcomes. This level is concerned with changing your results, losing weight, publishing a mate's book, winning a championship. Most of the goals you set are associated with this level of change. The second layer is changing your process. This level is concerned with changing your habits and systems, implementing a new routine at the gym, decluttering your desk for better workflow, developing a meditation practice. Most of the habits you build are associated with this level. The third and deepest layer is changing your identity. This level is concerned with changing your beliefs, your worldview, your self-image, your judgments about yourself and others. Most of the beliefs, assumptions, and biases you hold are associated with this level. Outcomes are about what you get. Processes are about what you do. Identity is about what you believe. When it comes to building habits that last, when it comes to building a system of 1% improvements, the problem is not that one level is better or worse than another. All levels of change are useful in their own way. The problem is the direction of change. Many people begin the process of changing their habits by focusing on what they want to achieve. This leads us to outcome-based habits. The alternative is to build identity-based habits. With this approach, we start by focusing on who we wish to become. Make it unsatisfying at instant costs. Example, promise a friend you'll stop something and pay if you don't. Advanced insights, habit, environment, willpower. Your environment shapes behavior more than willpower. Real-world application. If you want to eat healthier, keep healthy food at eye level. Hide unhealthy food in hard-to-reach places. Motivation follows action. Many people wait to feel like doing it, but Clear says, you start the action first and motivation follows. Meaning, start the habit first, even imperfectly, and your brain rewards you later. Habits and identity are linked. Habits don't just shape results, they shape who you become. Every tiny action builds your self-image. Small choices define character. Examples of atomic changes you can make today. Goal, tiny habit to start. Become healthier. Drink 1 extra glass of water. Get fit. Do 2 minutes of stretching daily. Study more. Open your notes for 3 minutes. Read more. Read 1 page every night. Save money. Automatically transfer $5/week to savings. How to make habits stick over time. Track progress. A simple log or calendar gives feedback and satisfaction. Never break the chain. Missing once is normal. Don't let one miss become a habit. Adjust, don't quit. If progress stalls, tweak your system, not your goals. Key quotes and wisdom, summarized. Habits are the compound interest of self-improvement. Your outcomes are a lagging measure of your habits. Focus on who you want to become. Goals are good for planning, systems are best for making progress. Putting it all together. A simple framework. Decide who you want to be. Start with tiny habits that align with that identity. Make them obvious, attractive, easy, and satisfying. Track progress and adjust as needed. Repeat every day. Practical habit plan, easy start. Step, action, 1. Pick one habit you want to build. 2. Define the cue, when, where. 3. Make it tiny, 2-min rule. Over 4. Add a reward. 5. Track it daily. 6. After 2 weeks, increase slowly. Real-life impact. People use this book to improve grades, build fitness routines, learn skills, languages, music, build work-study habits, quit habits like smoking or unhealthy eating. And now that we have reached the end of this audiobook, you may not have found answers to all your questions, and that is completely natural. The purpose of this work was not to provide definitive answers, but to plant the seeds of curiosity, awareness, and reflection in your mind. What you have heard becomes truly valuable only when it finds its way into your real life. So thank you for watching, and good luck, my friends.